We got the one I did last night, first one. Wow. All them small cells, very cool. This is the one I just did. I think it's going to be pretty neat also once it gets done. But we're going to go ahead and I'm going to try to do this one exactly like I did it last night. I did add some... Turn. I did add, sorry about turning the camera, I meant to do that. I did add some silicone to the white, okay? Watch the first video if you want to see what's in it. So, I'm going to go ahead and brush it. We did have I had lots of bubbles in here last time, maybe I had more. We want a pretty heavy layer here, but not quite as much as on the first one, as you can see, okay? I'll just set that down for now. I think it'll be okay. Okay, so I'll try to mimic what I did. I did pour just a little bit. The only thing different I did on this one was add silicone to the white. Now these each have a couple drops. And here. On this one I don't think I'm going to swipe it. I think I'm just going to go ahead and blow it around. The only reason why I swiped it because of one video, if you look at my subscriptions, one lady there, that's what she does. I'm going to try just to blow this one around and see what it does. I'm keeping everything in the middle. You notice I'm putting the different colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. And then I'll probably go ahead and go with a purple right next to the yellow, which is its complement. So some of this is intentional. I don't know how it comes out on the thing or not, but... Ooh. Almost dumped it all out there. Okay, so basically we just go drop, drop, drop again. Alright, this time I'll try to keep track of what I've done and not done. I do want to get the dark blue, some English blue thing, I don't know. I've decided I will go ahead and swipe this time again over the top, because then it makes you work for the colors a little bit. You know? The idea is to make an abstract piece of art, and once it looks cool, leave the darn thing alone. There is another technique that I've seen that worked pretty good as far as drawing some of the colors out to the edges. That looks good. I already did the purple, so now we have orange. I'll put the orange around the red. And then you see me add on the other video, I just added some paints. Now this is hardly any paint at all. There's not a lot in here. You know, if you want to do a big canvas, you could just, I don't see why you couldn't do a bigger canvas. That'll be the next thing. Then I got pink. I think I'll throw the pink around the outside this time. And I'll probably go ahead at that point and put the lime green with it. And they're pretty much red and green, you know, lime green and pink. I don't know if they're color complements or not, but I know red and green are. I think they'll look pretty cool that way. Okay, and what else? We got orange. Okay, all we have left is black. I'll probably stick the black down the middle again. Try to give the thing a little backbone. Okay, and then I'm going to go with the dark green. I'll put it next to the light green just for the fun of it. Maybe next to some of the reds. It's direct color complements. Oh, where's the other red? Some of the stuff starts disappearing after a while. But okay, put it next to some of that. And down the middle again. Okay, so I think that's basically all the colors. I don't get too hung up on colors. Now you can do different colors, and people do lots of different shades of blues and greens for a water look. But I am going to do the swipe. But this is such a light touch, you know. I'm trying not to pull any paint off. I can't feel it, just to let you know. I'm going to go right back to here. And I'll go right back to here. And then that's all we're doing. I barely could touch that. Alright. You can see that there's a lot of action going on already, which is kind of interesting, probably because of the silicone in the white. But here we go. I'm going to start blowing at it and see what happens. If I see something cool, I'll blow it out a little bit. Like that red and green right next to each other. I blew that dark green out a little bit. I thought it looked nicer with the pink. If you see something looks pretty cool, just leave it alone. Try to keep your elbow out of the other painting. Start off blowing slowly. This is about the time I'm going to flip it around so you can see everything. And kind of look at things. See something you kind of like, and like that light blue. I really like that light blue. And I'll kind of look around for like a dead area that I don't like. And I really like that light blue, so I'm just going to have a little fun with it. I'm going to drop some in. That's what's great about this technique. You can just drop some around here. And that looked kind of cool, didn't it? And since orange is the complement of blue, somebody says somewhere, I do kind of like how that looked there. And then I just think there's not enough red, so I'll toss a little bit of red in right here, probably on this green. Now keep in mind, things will change. And if you add some color you don't like it, just blow it out a little bit. Okay, I'm okay with that. I'm going to leave this all alone. I'm finished. I think these look great. I like this white border across the bottom. It doesn't have to be a total thing, all covered, you know. I think it looks really, really cool. You like? So we're going to leave it alone. Thank you very much.